Alright, so this is my little bootleg ramp that I made for my RC cars. I used FRP as the top cover because it's very, very durable, the FRP. I mean, you gotta buy it in a really, really big sheet, which kind of sucks, but it's very durable. You can use it for outside, but you don't got to worry about it warping or anything like that. They use it in the commercial industry mostly, so that's why I got the idea. But yeah, okay, so I did that. There's that mess, little ghetto mess that I made, little bootleg, but I wanted to put some weight on it, so this way I could just leave it like this and I don't have to worry about it moving, so that's why there's so much wood. Yeah, this is my first little bootleg ramp I made for my latrax teton. I don't have the cover on it right now to do the jumps because I put LED lights on the cover, and I don't want to do the jumps with the LED lights because then they'll end up probably just falling out or breaking out in it, and that's not what I got the LED lights for. I got them to drive it at night, not really for tricks. I got to get a new cover so I can bash with it or do whatever, and I won't really care about it. So, alright, let's see how it goes. So here's this. Make fun of me that I can't hit a ramp. Here we go. Yeah. Let's move back so you can actually see it land. But that's my bootleg little ramp I made. It probably cost me, I got the FRP for free. I found it, so that was for free, but the wood cost me, what, about $2. So all together with the screws, that was probably about $3 to do, which is not too bad, $3 for a little bootleg ramp, because I looked online and they had plastic ramps for like 20 bucks, but they didn't have a high point, so you really can't go far with the car. So instead, I decided to make one that would be a little bit, have a higher degree. It actually jumps pretty far. Let me see if I can get it in the picture. I'll back it up. Let me see if we can get it. And I'm not even going full speed because I'm scared, because I'm retarded and I'll miss the ramp. Alright, so that's it. Just wanted to show you my little bootleg ramp that I made for a few dollars and see how it works, which is great. And I'm probably going to make, you know, a bigger one with a higher pitch for probably double the amount. So that's still cheaper than, you know, the plastic ones that they have. The plastic ones are great probably for bikes. I'm not knocking them. They're probably great for bikes and roller skates. But for RC, I just couldn't find the pitch on them, you know, for only $20, you know, and they were very low. So instead I just, for 20 bucks, I could probably make a real hardcore one that can handle, you know, all kinds of crap and have a lot of weight to it too. This way I don't got to worry about it moving. So, alright, that's it.